Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're checking out Hostinger. Now, Hostinger offer a variety of hosting plans, from shared hosting for beginners like us, to VPS and cloud hosting for those with more complex websites. The best part? Their prices are super competitive, especially when you consider the features you get. We're talking free SSL certificates for secure browsing, website builder tools to get you started quickly, and even daily backups for peace of mind. Plus, their user-friendly interface makes managing your website a breeze, even for non-techies like myself. And let's not forget the amazing 24/7 customer support. Hostinger's team is always there to help, day or night. Honestly, Hostinger is a great option for anyone looking for a simple, affordable, and reliable way to get their website online. Head over to the link in the description below to check out Hostinger and their awesome plans. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to simplify your digital life. Thank you for watching.